Imagine your child creating their very own games and animations, all by themselves. It's not just a dream, it's what kids are doing right here with us. They start with Scratch, a super fun, visual way to learn coding. They drag and drop blocks to make characters move, tell stories, and build simple, playable games. This isn't just play, it's the beginning of understanding how technology works. Then they graduate to Python, a real-world programming language used by companies like Google and YouTube. They start creating actual programs, solving puzzles, and building more complex projects. This journey from Scratch to Python builds incredible confidence, sharpens their logical thinking, and boosts their creativity. Give your child this amazing advantage. Message Ajax on WhatsApp today to find out more.